Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to calculate someone's age using algebra. Let's see an example. Ava and Emma are sisters. Their ages sum is 21. Emma is 6 times older than Ava. So we have two important data. Their ages sum is 21 and Emma is 6 times older than Ava. We can represent Ava's unknown age with the letter x. Emma's age is 6 times Ava's age, so we can represent it as 6 times x. Their ages sum is 21, so we can say x plus 6x equals 21. To solve it, we will need to figure out the value of x. And how do you do that? Well, you need to put all the x's on one side of the equal sign. So, if we add 1x plus 6x, the result is 7x. We're almost there, but there's still a 7 beside the x, which means it's multiplying it. Since we need to leave x completely alone, we need to pass it to the other side of the equal sign. Whenever we pass any number to the other side of the equal sign, we pass it with the opposite mathematical operation. So in this case, 7 is multiplying x, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So 7 is passed to the other side of the equal sign, dividing whatever is there. In this case, 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So Ava is 3 years old. 6 times 3 is 18. Therefore, Emma is 18 years old. In the next video, we are going to calculate the age of a person who is younger than another instead of older. Thanks for watching, and if you found it useful, please like this video, subscribe, and share.